Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another 3D effect. Earlier today I did one and somebody got confused when I did it because of the colors, and it looked like lines going through it or made up of lines. So we're going to extrude this right here. And right up here I picked two colors, but right here you can use solid colors, and when we would do that, you can actually break the extrude group apart by selecting it all, go up to object, break it apart, grab that very first one, and we can make it a yellow if we want, and then you've got solid colors behind it. And with the black, it's not going to show off the outline, but if you made it a lighter color, then you could make your outline other than a hairline and show off those lines. That'd be a little bit much, maybe 3. Just a different way to look at it. And, you can, for an engraver like I am, you could do that. And I'm pretty sure that would look like an extrude. I'd actually make it a little bit lighter when I took away the outline. I'd make the outline dark and the extrude just barely. But this way, there's no, it looks like it's actually going there. And don't forget, still use the presets, from the top or the bottom. Of course, I'm extruding the extrusion then, but we can grab that other one and make a copy of it. Let's make a copy so that it doesn't look so bad. And then and you can always use your presets that'll come from the top left, and have it kind of come off. And then you could still change your bar and not have it. Let's don't go quite as far this time. Just get a little bit of extrusion. And then you really don't have to do anything up top. Just go and break it apart and grab your first one. And let's see what it looks like with that. So this is actually our top one. We'll make it black. We'll make I saw some of the jump, so I'm going to jump back. Make it that light gray. And then move it back. And of course, go to order, back a page. And I was a little bit confused because I actually picked going down on the preset. And I probably picked extrude to the bottom. So the extrusion's on the bottom. So it's pretty easy to play with. Just play with it. That's all I'm doing. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.